This is the iRobot Roomba 692. It is the entry-level robot vacuum from iRobot, and today we are going to unbox it. It feels very Roomba. The packaging is mostly the same material that the more premium iRobots use too. Tucked away in the corner we have the charger. It's a standard robot vacuum charger that needs to be placed against any wall and into any standard wall socket. The robot is very well wrapped in plastic and took a little to get into. It definitely would have been easier with scissors, but hey, we're trying to make it look cool for you guys. There's something quite appealing about the simplicity of the 692. It's just a black circle, although there is a shine to the top, which I suspect may get a bit grubby over time. On its belly we find iRobot's dual roller brushes, although in this case they aren't rubber, so you can expect to clear a bit more hair from them if you have any long-haired pets or people. We'll be doing a full review shortly. It's going to be interesting to see how it performs without Roomba's usual V-slam, so subscribe to see how it performs in the wild.